How do you offset binge eating? One of the greatest benefits of ketones is that they help act on certain neurotransmitters in the brain that help keep us full. If you're someone who struggles with binge eating, some ways to overcome this besides ketosis are: 1, fill up on protein. It's very, very difficult to overeat protein, and protein does not get stored as fat easily. So try drinking a protein shake before your meal or after to help increase that fullness. The highest quality animal proteins are things like beef and whey, so those are great options. If you're looking for a plant-based, non-dairy option, pumpkin seed protein is a great choice since the amino acid profile is similar to the animal ones. The second thing is increase the volume of your meal or your foods without increasing the calorie load. This can easily be done by, for example, a low-calorie salad before your meal, drinking at least a glass of water before your meal, or even blending your protein shakes or your coffee to increase the volume of the liquid anytime you consume them.